Have you heard the news? There is a solar eclipse tomorrow, October 14th, 2023. And here in East Tennessee, yes, we will see some of that on Saturday. What is an eclipse? It's where the moon gets it between the sun and the earth, and so it casts a shadow on the earth. But it's a little bit different this year from what we saw just a few years back. A, it's a little bit further away, and B, it's actually going to be called an annular eclipse. That's where the moon covers the sun, but it never reaches 100% totality. Now, next year is going to be a total eclipse, and it's actually going to be a little bit closer to home. Let's talk about the path for tomorrow. It is going to be just to the west from Oregon all the way down to West Tennessee. And the timing of this, for us here in East Tennessee, it's going to be around noon or so. And so when you're out and about, make sure you look up in the sky because we will see some of it. Now, we're not going to see, obviously, the full eclipse, but it's close enough that here in East Tennessee, we'll see about a 40 to 50% coverage of the sunshine. Not to mention, we should have some sunshine as this is taking place. So remember, we had an eclipse a few years back, but we've got another one coming up next year, and that's going to be a total eclipse, 2024, and look at this. It's going to be a little bit closer to home. The path is just going to be just to the west of West Tennessee, Memphis area, where they'll see about a 90% eclipse. Here in East Tennessee, we'll be about 80 to 90%. So there is some good news. If you missed it just a few years back, which how could you? We're going to see another one next year. But remember, tomorrow, look up in the sky. Don't look directly at the sunshine, but we'll see a partial eclipse here in East Tennessee.